Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to graph about y equals to e to the power of s, e to the power of 2s, and s equals to number 1. The graph should be for e to the power of s. The graph of e to the power of 2s. The next one, s equals to number 1. So the area we need to concentrate that is about this one. Now we need to find the intersection in here. So that should be about e to the power of s equals to e to the power of 2s. So because we have the same base e and e, so s equals to 2s. So we put s go to the right. And we got about s equal to number 0. So we have the integration in here from 0 to number 1. Number 1, that is from here. We see that this is about upper and this is about lower. The upper, that is about e to the power of 2s. And the lower, that is about e to the power of s. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that's about e to the power of 2s over number 2. And this one, that's about e to the power of s. Now I will put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here. Now we need to simplify. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.